Hold on, this is about to be fucking sick,
Come on
boys.
top of your head.
Oh shit. Son of a bitch.
I'll follow you anywhere, Washington.
Check it out, check me out, check me out. Oh, son of a bitch, I keep slipping on. Alright.
You're like in that flag and eagle, boys.
Buddy.
Dr. Goonberg with you.
Don't tread on me.
Come here, Uncle Sam.
I am a
Stop gunning and
sturgeon.
start shooting.
The surgeon.
I am a sturgeon.
I just give morphine out.
Doctor. Shamrock, come here.
Alright guys, I'm George Washington. I'm gonna charge straight into battle. Let's go.
I'll follow you to my death.
Left side, boys. Lunch to my left.
This guy can't do shit, luckily, so we're good.
Lunch to the left. Lunch to the left.
I don't know my left and right.
Uh-oh.
Did you long flank?
Grenade, boys. Watch out, grenade. What are you doing behind that rock? Don't be a bitch. Keep running.
We declared it. Now we defend it.
Charge, boys, charge!
Don't tell me what to do.
Charge up.
We are free men fighting for
I'm a surgeon. I got you, you bastard. Pushing up on the run.
On the run. These dirty Americans.
There are Americans behind us. Straight east. I saw them in the wood line.
I got shot for playing my drone.
You're welcome, asshole.
Keep pushing up.
These damn dirty British.
Aha, we took. Hell yeah. Hey, let me at him. Let me at him. Here, take this. Oh, this fucking flag.
I'm George Washington and I just kicked ass.
You just kissed ass.
And this is Jackass.
No, I kicked ass. My name is George Washington.
You just kissed ass, dude. I approve of this message.
Gentlemen.
Push forward, man! We take our ground!
A succulent British meal.
You're British! You're British! I'm a Brit! Oh, fuck!
Keep going, keep going.
Wait, did you
Keep running, don't stop.
Fuck you, lad!
Don't stop.
I have failed. I must commit seppuku.
Cooking up them fucking L to the Brits. That's what I'm saying. Here we go. Charge, gentlemen. Yeah, you're gonna fucking taste this fucking red, white, blue. Down your throat.
Don't finger my bum, bro.
I lost my fucking leg, but I can...
How you feeling today, chaps?
So, how's your day?
I missed.
Fuck you.
Oh, you didn't know.
McDonald's here.
My boy Matty Pin dicked him down.
You really gonna let me finish this time? You're not gonna do this?
No, eat piece of toast, lad.
Stand your ground! Fire at will! Fire at
Shit
will!
kinda does that. Start a song, then you finish it.
See, you get good. Green tea?
Pop into it.
I was training
Fire on that apple, fire on that apple.
to Japan. They told me that.
Oh my god, an engine.
My name is Angton Digger.
It's lunch ready.
How are you? Sitting there. Oh, he's 10.
Sure. What are you waiting for?
Fucking McDonald's over here.
Hello. I would like to speak to you about your car's extended warranty.
Start
What?
chipping away. Start chipping away at the lock. Start chipping away at the reinforcement.
Fire at will order. Come on, dude. Look at the flag. Not long enough. Why can't we run up like that? Are we pussies? No, we're pussies.
Right there. Long way to the prairie. It's a long way to go.
Don't shoot, bro. 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 Don't shoot, bro.
All these American. How do we say that? Glizzy gobblers. Yeah, glizzy gobblers.
Why are they even rebelling? Like, what's the deal with these guys? Like, come on, like, you can't pay up.
They. Oh, shoot. Hot dog. Let's fall back, lad. We cannot hold this position anymore. Your brother.
Killed your friend.
I don't know why.
They shot him!
Man, if we sit at the table, that means we've taken the house. Put him in the front. Come, sit, join me.
Come on, boys. Let's capture B.
This fella looks so spy.
You fuckers are capturing me! This is our fucking objective!
Videos, please.
This reminds me of Thanksgiving.
I believe we've successfully taken the house for him.
Listen, you gotta fight the hill on the other side of these fucking bunkers.
Points on the line.
Yes, I am. If you would let me eat now.
Holy fucking shit! That's what fucking happens if you eat fucking food. You get capped.
I wanna eat.
Hey, that guy's taking a nap. He's sleeping on the job.
We will never let them eat anything but beans.
Alright, so what's for dinner?
Give me 10 minutes to reload and I'll get you. Hold on.
Why the hell is
thanks, bro.
That guy's mic sounds so good.
You're dead, buddy. You're dead, buddy. Who's like?
I don't know, that guy that just talks.
Oh,
Fine.
he's got one of those expensive headsets.
Maybe. Do you have a
Maybe he's a streamer.
are you on PC or console? Yeah, we raised up that beautiful flag. Looks so much better than that other shit that was on.
With like a bunch of people, so I
I need somebody to heal me. I need you to strap my dick back on.
Oh, this game, I'm on PC and before console.
Thank you, good sir. Thank you, Goonberg. I'm gonna goon on you.
Yes, sir. Just a bunch of assholes. All
Okay,
Push
which way
forward,
are we
men!
charging? Right or
We've
left?
taken ground!
Right?
Oh, break's over. Fuck these commies. Fuck.
Your king sends children to fight his wars.
Yeah, who likes tea anyways, right? Tastes like shit. If you aren't drinking liquor, then you're a bitch. Push forward. Let's go, gentlemen. Let's fuck them up.
what's going on over
Asshole.
here, boys?
We're taking the town, that's what's going on.
Hell yeah.
Look at these British motherfuckers running, dude. We're about to show them what freedom looks like.
We got a medic.
Rock flag eagle.
Thank you, medic. Thank you.
This is lore accurate music.
I'm gonna kill some red coats.
We just got Serpentine in charge, gentlemen.
Watch out, boys. We're gonna kill some red coats. Let him do it, fellas. Get it.
Hey, Jeff, how you doing?
No, sir.
back on the right, then I can wall glitch in there.
Let me in, boy. Let me in.
Grenade, you know you do tossing grenade.
Let me eat first. Let me eat first. All right. Let me eat first. Hey, come here with me, bro. Come here with me. How you doing there, Robbie?
Hey, just close that.
What the fuck?
Destroy our door.
Hello, the Yankees. I'm gonna get you one day.
Let's go, boys!
You want my favorite person on the
Oh, I don't wanna die. Come on, boys, hold this line!
Freaking Yankee! You freaking Yankee!
Fucking back, this fucking yank.
Move on!
I got a Yankee, you can yank on.
Come on, you Brit. Get some. It's a Brit. It's a
Wars fight. Hello.
Where's the thing? That's you in. Yes, yes. Here, right here. Yes, go. You guys think you can win?
Push! Bum rush them right now! Go, go, go!
Push into the building, boys!
Go, go, go! Can't get in through the fucking window.
Do that again. Go first person.
Let's go, boys! Last push!
Sit. Mash that E button once you can. It says, it gives you a prompt. Just go first person, look straight through.
Here we go, boys!
Go through the wall right here.
Push through the main entrance!
Grenade. Get back, everyone.
Come on, it's clear! Get in here!
Push! Go! Come on! FIC red, is that okay?
Go, boys! Go, go, go!
Push forward, men! We've taken ground!
Hey, boys,